Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily update for Bitcoin. Yesterday we made a nice pump to the upside. It was a perfect buy position, and I will tell you what's going on now with Bitcoin. Guys, let's start. This is the big analyze for today. Let's go. So, and let's start with CoinMarketCap. First of all, we can see Bitcoin is going up really nice. 5.1% in the plus in 24 hours. Really nice. In 7 days, 2.3% in the plus. And we can see Ethereum is also going up, not so fast as Bitcoin, but also with 4.2%. The Binance coin is going up with 2%, also nice. And all in all, we can see here all coins are in the green. Really nice. This is a really nice picture if you're watching this. Every coin here is in the green. Shiba Inu 11% in the upside. Matic is going up 8%. So yes, this is now really nice, guys. Let's go in the next thing and let's check what coin is the biggest winner in 24 hours. And the biggest winner is, here it is, Helium. Helium is the biggest winner with 70% of the plus. HoloHot is going up with 16% and the Graph is going up with 13.8%. Really nice. And the biggest loser, this is Yearn Finance. It's going down with 4%. Pancake is going down with 1.1%. And the Huobi token is going down with 0.5%. And you can see 3 coins are going down and all other coins, all other 150,000 coins, no, I think 50,000 coins are going up here. In 7 days, the biggest winner is Yearn. Look at this, 79% in the plus. Terra Luna is going up with 45%. And you can see Bora is also going up 44%. So, ladies and gentlemen, the biggest loser in 7 days, Gala is going down with 11%, and you can see this coins, it's not so much for 7 days. These are not so much coins that are going down. Gala is going down. The Dogecoin is the biggest loser, 11.35%. Okay, and TRX Tron is also going down with 10%. I know some news about Tron, and I think here is the co-founder or something like this is went off from Tron, so I think he left Tron, and I think these are the big news for Tron, and that's the reason for Tron why it's going down with 10%, I think. So if we're watching Tron a little bit here, we can check here one thing, guys. Let me show it to you for Tron. Tron is going down since days here, or since weeks, or since months. So let me show you what's going on with Tron. And here is the Tron chart picture. And yes, you can see we are going down really hard on the day. On 7 days, let's check this one. Oh yes, we're going down. On 3 months, look at this. We went down really hard with Tron. And if you're watching the news, I think here we can read something about the co-founder. Justin Sun takes up government job in Grenada. No, I think that's not the right news, but I think I wrote it or read it yesterday, guys. So if you want to know, you have to read. Sorry guys, I have to. I didn't know what's going on with Tron, but I think that's the big thing. Now let's check the let's check this one. You can see here Bitcoin is going down with the dominance, yes, more and more, and we can see Ethereum is going up more and more. And if you're watching the dominance, Bitcoin is on 49%, Ethereum at 21.1%. Here we can see Bitcoin is holding for the moment this important line, this important support line. This is a green one, and this is the Bitcoin dominance. And you can see, yes, Bitcoin is for the moment holding the 40%. This is really important. If you're zooming out, you can see this is the big uptrend since 2017. And yes, Bitcoin is holding the support to the downside. Okay, the next thing, what's very important, guys, you can see here now the resistances over us. We have here on the 1 day the ribbon band, we have here the 42% resistance, and on the upper side is the EMA 200. So yes, a lot resistance here for us for Bitcoin. But the important thing is this green line on the bottom here is holding for the moment. And if Bitcoin can grow up more and more and can beat these resistances, we will see here maybe the next bull run. Maybe we will see this in January or February. This would be the next big thing for Bitcoin, but we will watch this, guys. I will make every day a video and every day an update, and we will watch this, what's going on. Next thing, what's going on with CoinCodex? CoinCodex, now it's looking a little bit better as yesterday, guys. We can see now a nice pump to the upside. Maybe until tomorrow we will see 50,000. This would be nice. After this, maybe we will go down again, 49,000. Then on December the 24th, we will see a price down going about 49,400. Next day, 48,000. And then maybe December the 26th, we will see an upgoing price maybe at 52,000. For the moment, we can see this picture here. We have here a neutral, but we have 62% bullish and only 38% bearish. So yes, we can see all in all, we are for the moment more bullish as bearish here. We can see this on the summary. And guys, you can see yesterday we saw extreme fear, 25 points. Now today we see fear in the market, 27 points. And guys, you know it. If we are going down and down and down and we see extreme fear in the market, I told you this yesterday, it's maybe not the baddest time to make a long position. And it was yesterday a perfect long position. And now I will like to show you what's going on with this long position. Before we check, guys, one thing, we will check really fast what's going on with Bitcoin maybe for the next days. I told you here, December 26, 52,000. If you're going down a little bit more, maybe we will watch here. You can see we will reach maybe in January, middle January 12th or in the middle of January, 60,000 again, 61,000 maybe. And then we will go down again a little bit. So this is telling us this prediction. Okay, it's not the interesting thing, but guys, all in all, we need to watch all these indicators and all this stuff. And if we are watching this, we can see maybe the next nice direction. And I think for the moment, it was not the baddest thing to make a buy position. So on the weekly, we can see today a better picture as yesterday. Today we are neutral on the summary, but here's a little buy for the moving averages. The daily is not so nice. Sell, sell, and a neutral for the oscillators. Okay, this is not the best thing, but the 4 hours, buy, and one sell on the oscillators, better as yesterday. The 2 hours, nice, buy and strong buy, and the 1 hour also, nice, buy and strong buy. So here we are. Guys, I told you yesterday, we have to watch the pattern, and yesterday I told you on the 1 hour time frame, attention, we piled it here, this nice doji star. After this, I made a video after the doji star, and I told you guys it's not the baddest thing to make a long position. If you've not watched the video from yesterday, please watch it. It's really important. I told you it's not the baddest thing here to make a long position. This is not a financial advice, but I made one and I sold here on the upside. I will show you soon why I sold and where I sold. And I know Angry Higgins also sold here on the upside. And I think some members here on my live stream also made a nice long position and sold on the upside. And that's really nice, guys. Congratulations to all guys. They made this trade to the upside here. Okay, we made this doji star. It was a bullish sign here. It was maybe the bottom, maybe, but we will watch this, what's going on. On the 5 hour time frame, we saw here the bullish harami also and the harami cross. This was also really bullish. And after this, we saw the next one, the 3 inside up, the next bullish reversal here. And then it was a little bit dangerous because here was the next doji star. But on the daily, I showed you this one. We saw here the falling 3 methods, and after the falling 3 methods, we go sideways or a little bit to the upside. So it's still dangerous. It's not over, guys. It's still dangerous for us. That was one of the reasons why I closed this trade. So on the weekly, we made this one here. This is really important. We saw on the weekly a doji star, a bullish reversal, and a bullish harami. After this, we went down a little bit, but for the moment, this is a really bullish sign on the weekly, and I also showed you this on my last updates, guys. But now, let's check this one. This was the daily time frame. This was the last picture from yesterday. I showed you where we saw the big problems to the upside. Here on 48,000 was the really important Fibonacci 0.236, 48,360. We broke it to the upside, and now let's check on the 1 hour. What happened yesterday? Yesterday, we saw here on the downside, let me show you this one here, this was the doji. We saw the doji and I told you guys, nice, a doji is here, this may be the bottom, let's make a long position, it's not the baddest thing, let's make a stop loss under this. I made it, and now I made a nice long position. But it was really dangerous with one candle, guys. Look at this candle. This candle, let me show you. Not this one, not this one. No, what's going on here? Here we saw a nice leg to the upside, and then it was really dangerous here on this candle. This one with the long wick to the upside. We made a really long wick to the upside, and it was not a hit to the EMA 200, but it was really close, and after this we fall down. It was dangerous, but it was a good decision to make, to let the long position run here. You can see we hit it here, our ribbon band on the downside again, and after this we made a nice jump to the upside. Here we jumped over the EMA 200, we jumped also with the next candle over this big resistance, and we also jumped, we made a confirmed jump over our Fibonacci line. Now it's really dangerous again. Why? Because we are going down. We hit it this big point here, and it was the point I closed my long position, 49,100. I closed my long position here. We made a long wick to the upside. This is for the most times a really bad sign. After this, we went down. And now the big question is, guys, first of all, congratulations to all who made this long position here with me. And the next big thing is what's going on now with the Fibonacci. Can we stay over the Fibonacci? Yes or no? That's the next big thing. For the moment, I'm out of the trade. We can see the next stuff on the 1 hour. On the bottom here is the ribbon band. On the bottom here is the EMA 200. So this is all a really nice support for us. The green ribbon band is a nice support, and the yellow line here, this EMA 200, is also a nice support. But as long as we are staying here over 48,360, everything is okay with this trade. But as I told you guys, I stopped my trade here on 49,100, something about this one. Okay, let me check the next thing here for you. Let's move on here. So, if you can see on the bottom here, we have a really big support area, and this is this area. This is now really important because we have here a triple quattro bottom here on the downside, and we have here a price about 45,700, 45,800. This is now, for the moment, one of the biggest things we need to watch to the downside, because maybe this is the bottom and maybe we can make a nice jump to the upside from here. Here we saw the spike to the upside, 49,100. Here we saw the spike to the downside to the support zone, and this was a nice little long position here to the upside. Now let's check out here the next thing. Let's zoom out here a little bit more. You can see the big red line here coming from the upside. Yes, of course, this is the biggest thing we need to watch. And you can see here on the right side the Fibonacci's. If we can break out this bad red line here, you know the next targets if you're watching the Fibonacci here. Now the next thing, what we need to watch before we end this video. It's 12 minutes today, sorry for the long video, but it is so important now that I can show you this stuff all. We need to watch the barchart.com. Here is the next support line, and really important for the moment, the pivot point support line. And look at this here. We have here now a nice support, 48,200 is for the moment a nice support, and the next big support, the first pivot support point, is on 45,600. And if we are going back in the chart picture, you can see, yes, 45,600, this is this support area. So it's possible to fall down again. Yes, it's possible to make the next long position on the downside, 45,600, and stop loss under this, and the next move to the upside. So we can make nice money. These are really nice trades. But now you can see we made a higher high. That's important. That's really important. And the next thing is we made a higher low. So for the moment, this is not looking too bad, guys. It's not looking too bad for the moment. The big thing is, where can we find the next little bottom, and where can we find the next move to the upside? So this was the daily update, a little longer video today, but it was a really nice long position from yesterday. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. And don't forget to ring the bell and give me an abo if you like these daily updates. And I hope you can make millions, guys, with these trades. Bye-bye.